Welcome to the world of digital marketing. In this video, we'll explore the basics of digital marketing and its various types. First up, we have search engine optimization, SEO. It's all about improving your website's visibility on search engines like Google. Next, we have pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. It's a way to drive targeted traffic to your website by placing ads on search engine result pages. Social media marketing is another powerful tool. It allows you to connect with your audience, build brand awareness, and drive engagement. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable and relevant content to attract and retain customers. It's all about providing value to your audience. Email marketing is a direct way to reach your audience. It involves sending targeted emails to promote your products or services. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based strategy where you earn a commission for promoting other people's products or services. Mobile marketing is all about reaching your audience on their mobile devices. It includes mobile ads, apps, and SMS marketing. Lastly, we have influencer marketing. It involves partnering with influential individuals to promote your brand or products to their followers.